guys, welcome to Dedicated. On this episode of Dad Basics, I'm going to show you how to take one of these screws out of your tire. So it's a basic how to repair a tire kit that I will show you step by step on how to get these crappy results. Just kidding. Let's begin. For this project, you're going to need needle nose pliers. You'll need a blade and some soapy water, a flathead screwdriver, and a repair kit. One nice thing about these kits is that they come with 5 of these to where you can save them for later. Like I've had this kit for years. I already used, as you can see, 3 of them. This was my 3rd repair, and you basically keep them even though my tool broke over here, but I can still make it work. So I got a screw in my tire, and if you can't find where you punctured a hole in your tire, you can use the spray bottle with soapy water and pump the tire, spray it, and when you see bubbles, you'll know that's where your hole is. So first, you're gonna take your flathead screwdriver and you're gonna try to pry the nail out. And then you wanna try to use these needle nose pliers to get it out as well.
Can we do that right now? Why is it doing like that?
Because I pulled out the screw. So that's where the hole is. As you can see, the air is still coming out. And now we're gonna plug it. Listen to it. Yep, it's making sound. So after you pull out the screw, you want to take this tool that comes with that kit, and we're gonna try to make that hole bigger so we can fit one of those fixing things. Okay, good job. Let's do a couple more times.
Why do I have 2 of them?
Good job. So my tool is a little broken, but typically there's like a sharp hook over here, and you put one of these strips in through it, and then you plug it back into this hole. So I'm gonna attempt doing that.
What are those?
That's to fix the
That's for
tire.
making bubbles?
So you pull one of these guys out,
And then you put it in?
and then put it down the middle like this, and then you try to shove it right into that hole. So you want to push it far enough to where it gets stuck in there.
Is it in there?
So the remaining, we're gonna cut it off with a blade. Just like that, and then pump up the tire and you're good to go. So one more thing you can do to test your hole after you pump the tire up is use some soapy water and spray on the hole. And if you see any bubbles coming up, so if you don't see any water bubbling up, then you should be good to go. But just keep an eye on your tire pressure throughout the week, and if the problem can't be resolved, then you're gonna need to get a new tire. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this quick repair. See you later.